Hello, students. Welcome to today's Agriculture and the Environment lesson. Our topic is open field agriculture, one of the oldest and most common ways farmers grow food right here in Jamaica. What do you notice about this farm? Yes, the crops are growing outdoors, in the open air, under natural sunlight and rain. That's what we call open field agriculture. What is open field agriculture? Let's define it clearly. Open field agriculture is when crops are grown directly in the soil, under natural environmental conditions, without any covering, like a greenhouse or shade house. That means plants rely completely on sunlight, rainfall, and natural soil fertility for their growth. Question for you. Can you think of some crops in Jamaica that grow in open fields? Characteristics of open field farming. Let's look at some main characteristics of open field farming. 1. It uses natural sunlight and rainfall instead of artificial systems. 2. It needs less equipment and money to start. 3. It's mostly practiced by small or medium-scale farmers. 4. It depends heavily on the climate and weather. 5. It uses traditional knowledge passed down through generations. That is why it is the most common type of farming in Jamaica and many tropical countries. Great answers. Common ones include yam, banana, cassava, sugarcane, and corn. Now let's look at the advantages of open field agriculture. Advantage 1. It's cheap to start. No need for costly greenhouses or equipment. Advantage 2. It uses free natural sunlight and rainfall. Advantage 3. Farmers can grow large amounts of food on big areas of land. Advantage 4. It encourages biodiversity. Many plants, insects, and soil organisms thrive naturally. Quick question. Why do you think using natural resources like sunlight and rainfall is a benefit? That's right, because it saves money and is environmentally friendly. Disadvantages of open field agriculture. Of course, every system has its challenges. Let's talk about the disadvantages, or the difficulties farmers face. Disadvantage 1. Crops depend on weather. Too much or too little rain can destroy them. Disadvantage 2. Open fields are easily attacked by pests and diseases. Disadvantage 3. Soil erosion and nutrient loss happen when heavy rain or wind removes topsoil. Disadvantage 4. Extreme heat or cold can damage plants. Think about this. If there's a long dry season, what can farmers do to protect their crops? Excellent! Farmers can use mulching, rainwater harvesting, or drip irrigation to save water and keep crops healthy. Why Jamaican farmers prefer open field farming? You might be wondering, if open field farming has so many challenges, why do most Jamaican farmers still use it? Here's why. 1. Jamaica's climate is perfect. We get plenty of sunshine and rain. 2. It's affordable. No need for expensive technology. 3. Farmers have experience. They've been doing this for generations. 4. Many local crops grow better in open conditions. For example, yam, sugarcane, and banana all thrive in our tropical climate. Environmental impact. Open field farming affects the environment in both good and bad ways. Positive effects. Encourages natural biodiversity. Recycles organic matter. Negative effects. Can cause soil erosion and nutrient loss. Overuse of chemicals can pollute soil and water. That's why farmers must use sustainable practices to protect the land. Making open field. Farming sustainable farmers can make open field agriculture more sustainable by crop rotation, planting different crops each season, mulching, covering soil to keep moisture and reduce weeds, contour plowing to prevent soil erosion on slopes, using compost and manure instead of harsh chemicals, integrated pest management, using natural pest control methods. Question for you. Which of these methods do you think would work best on a hillside farm? Exactly. Contour plowing. It helps prevent the soil from washing away. Recap and summary. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Open field agriculture means growing crops in the natural outdoor environment. It's low cost, uses sunlight and rain, but depends on weather conditions. It's common in Jamaica because our climate supports it. To protect the environment, farmers must practice sustainable methods like mulching and crop rotation. Final question. If you were a farmer in Jamaica, would you choose open field or protected farming? And why? Great job, everyone! Now you understand what open field agriculture is and how it supports Jamaica's food production. Remember, farming isn't just planting seeds. It's caring for the land and using it wisely for the future. Thank you for watching and keep growing your knowledge.